Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into a foundational topic in English grammar, articles. These little words like a, an and the seem simple, but they make a huge difference in how we understand and communicate ideas clearly. Let's explore what articles are, how they are used and how to choose the right one every time. Ready? Let's jump in. So, what are articles? Articles are words used before nouns to show if the noun is specific or general. Think of articles as clues that guide the listener to understand whether you are talking about something specific or something general. There are two main types of articles in English, definite and indefinite. Let's start with the definite articles. The. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something that's known to both the speaker and the listener. Secondly, when the noun has been mentioned before. Then, for the unique things, and finally, with superlatives. Observe these examples. Next up, the indefinite articles. A and an. We use these when talking about something which is introduced for the first time. Secondly, to talk about any group. Then professions, and finally to indicate one of many. Observe these examples carefully for the better understanding. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound like a car, and an before words that start with a vowel sound like an artist. Simple, right? There are also special cases. For instance, sometimes we use no article at all, especially when speaking about general concept or uncountable nouns. This is called the zero article. So instead of saying the water when talking about water in general, we just say water is essential for life or children love to play. Alright, let's try a quick worksheet. Solve these worksheets and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. That's it for today. Articles are small but mighty, and understanding how to use them can make a huge difference in your English fluency. Don't forget to practice using these little words in your own sentences, and feel free to review this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who would love to brush up on their English grammar. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will know when our next video is out. Until next time, goodbye.